This is our 2022 Sylvan L3CLZ dual helm. Really nice layout on this one. Has the teakweed flooring in it. Dual captain's chairs, so the driver doesn't have to feel like they're sitting alone. It does have the changing room. You could put a porta potty in there if you'd like. Lots of cup holders. Really nice helm too. Have a place for your cell phone. If you want to put a GPS in, you can have it installed right in the dash there. Jail audio, it is Bluetooth. Depth finder, rated for 12 passengers. This at the side here is all storage. People can also lean against it, sit on it. And you have like an L-shaped seating here. This back does flip forward. If you'd like to lounge off the back of the boat, watch your tubers or skiers. It does have a nice railing around it so people can sit back here while the boat's in motion. Stainless ladder. It does have an extended deck on it so you have more room to get in and out of the water. Mercury, 115 horsepower, command thrust, 4-stroke. This one does have an electric bimini on it. Comes with a full cover. Really nice boat. Stop in at SkipperBud's and check it out.